like there's going to be that much over the course of days, but we may still get some wet weather, right, Matt?
Yeah, we need any kind of wet weather we can get. But the good news here, first at 4, is that those rainfall chances are going up. And I think the overall rainfall total is actually starting to go up for Arkansas. Remember yesterday we were talking about the bullseye, the core of most of this rain will be in central Oklahoma. Well, things are starting to trend a little bit farther towards the east. That means we have a higher chance of rain for this week. So keep that in mind. Maybe you're headed to the Arkansas-Oklahoma State Fair. This evening, we're good. We're starting to see a few showers in southern Oklahoma towards the Red River. We don't have to worry about those here at home tonight. We'll have to start to watch those the next several days. So just keep that in mind. But temperatures in Fort Smith will probably quickly get into the low 80s by 8 to 9 o'clock, and then 70s, I think, by the time we're starting to wrap things up for this evening. But here's the map I want to show you. I'm going to step out so you can see it a little bit more clearly. That 2-inch swath, remember yesterday it was a little bit farther west, that thing is slowly nudging eastbound. I think a lot of us have a solid chance of getting 2 inches of rain in eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas through Saturday. So, of course, when you're counting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that's not all that much rain, but we could take some of these downpours. But at least it's more than 1 inch like we were forecasting yesterday. So what you need to know, though, as we continue with this forecast the next several days, this swath of where the heaviest rain falls may trend east or west. It may nudge a little bit, but it looks like with the latest data, it's slowly coming in towards western Arkansas. We need the rain. We could use the rain. I think we're going to get a little bit more rain. Of course, we need closer to 4, 5, 6 inches, but will still take 2 inches as we're trying to wrap up the month. But this is area-wide, northwest Arkansas, River Valley. We also have some of those higher rain chances. Right now, though, things are dry. We've got mostly clear skies other than a few of the high-level cirrus clouds, but they're thin enough that they're not giving us any rain. When you look towards the south and west, there's that next system. It continues to spin counterclockwise. It moved from about the Albuquerque area. Now it's over Amarillo and West Texas and the Panhandle. But this thing continues to move eastbound, and these southwesterly winds are just carrying some of these isolated showers and thunderstorms right towards Arkansas. And every once in a while, they've got some gusty winds. That could still be the case here. So every once in a while, we'll get a good downpour, sometimes some brief gusty winds, but overall the main severe threat with this system is just not there. Just kind of more of a tropical type air mass that's going to be moving through. So tomorrow, highs will probably only get into the low 80s instead of upper 80s. We're going to expect temperatures to be a little bit cooler day by day, thanks to the extra clouds and also thanks to some extra showers. But I think overall the highest chance will be in the afternoon, a solid 40% chance, I think, through the second half of the day, and a solid 40% chance in the River Valley as well. But that timing may start to go a little bit farther towards the morning, closer towards the morning, I should say, for the River Valley as we start to see those showers move in from the south and spread northbound. Here's a look at FUTURECAST. Tonight, I think we're mostly dry, but then watch for more of those downpours to start to form by tomorrow morning. Meteorologist Tyler Moore, he'll be tracking maybe a couple showers, a couple splash and dashes in the morning tomorrow, and then possibly more trying to form into the afternoon. We'll be watching those closely, exactly where they try to line up and fall. For the next 6 days, I think the highest rain chances will be Friday and Saturday. By Sunday, a cold front tries to knock everything out, and then we're going to deal with some nice cool weather, I think, at least for this time of year. Northwest Arkansas, the last day of some of these 80s are tomorrow and Thursday. And then, of course, more rain is on the way for the rest of the week. This weekend, we're still wrapping up with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Same story in the River Valley, but then on Sunday, a weak cold front passes through, cleans us out of the rain, but we get to keep the cooler air. That's the good news.
I was hoping you would make that 2-inch margin move more closer to us.
Folks were asking me yesterday and said,
before.
Could you move it? And I said, I can, but it doesn't mean it's going to fall with 2 inches, but we can move anything we want.
You're like, you don't control the weather, Matt? I thought that's what you did.
But today, the forecast trends that it continues to move closer to Arkansas. Okay. So that's good news for us.
I'm just looking ahead to that Monday. I never look forward to a Monday, but that's a good Monday.
It is.
All right, Matt, well, coming up, the highlight.